Hello students, good morning. This is your Professor Amrita, your management guide. So now today I'll discuss about a very important issue that most of the students face after class 12. Many students found it difficult to take a decision whether to take BBA or BCom. This question is actually posed by many of the students, and so let me discuss about this in details today. Whether you should opt for BBA or BCom, which one is better? See, nothing can be said as better because everyone has means all the courses has its own advantages and disadvantages, and any single course does not suits all, right? Since as we all know, a single shoe cannot fit to all. Same way, a single course like BBA might not suit to everyone, whereas BCom might not be suitable for the others. So I cannot say in this way that BBA is better or BCom is better because both the courses has its own advantages. Now, which one to choose from? Which one is better? You will choose from. Now, let me go through it. Since after class 12, most of the students find it in a dilemma that which one to choose. Rather, I would suggest that it's not after 12 you should think of it. It is advisable that you can think, as you must mostly students who think or who are in a dilemma situation whether to opt for BBA or BCom, they are mostly from commerce background, right? But yes, BBA is a very vast field, and as it can accommodate students from any other background. So this is one such advantage. But yes, let me go through the pros or the advantages of both the courses, along with the good means what are the career prospects you have in India as well as in abroad. So once you go through the details information about BBA and BCom, you can yourself by yourself you can take a decision. What is your personality? Means as a student you must be aware. See, you need to address your personality. You need to assess your own personality. If you don't know about yourself, then nobody else can suggest you which one to choose from. As you are the student, you need to assess. Means your assessment can be done by yourself itself. Your parents, your friends, or your a counselor, they can just guide you. There are various techniques which helps to assess the student. But I would suggest that I am also management faculty, and I have been teaching since last 12 to 13 years and dealing with varied students. I found it that most of the students have their solution problems and solution among themselves itself. So I would advise you, it is as per my suggestion, that you assess yourself. So how would you assess yourself? First of all, you try to understand the differentiate between, you try to differentiate the content and the prospects between BBA and BCom, and then you judge yourself according to your personality. Means what is your personality, what is your liking, what you like most, what you does not like, what you means in which area you would like to excel. And definitely this is a question, when I say that in which area you would like to excel, you might not be able to answer this right at the moment because you have just completed your class 12 and you have never worked as such. So until unless you get an exposure towards your working field or the practical exposure, you does not have the practical exposure, right? So now until unless you get into the practical field, you will not understand which one to select for. So it's better you judge it theoretical as of now, because definitely after getting a clear insight you'll be able to understand the basic comparison. And you also know, means all the students must be knowing about their own skills. You all are aware, means everyone, even I know what is my advantages, what is my strength, what is my weaknesses. So the and what is my liking, what is my disliking, right? Then only I can think about pursuing further studies. So now I'm going to the basic comparison of the courses. So first is BBA. So in the last video also I discussed about what is BBA. Still I'm just going through the content. BBA is Bachelor of Business Administration, which is a 3-year undergraduate program. So it's simply a graduate program, right? You complete your graduation. BBA is a bachelor degree program. Just like bachelor in commerce, BCom, bachelor in business administration is BBA. So it's simply an undergraduate program. Fine. But the focus here is on the fields of business and management. So the main focus here is we focus mainly in the fields of business and management, right? Here the entire field of means entire focus field is business, right? So anyone with the entrepreneurial skill, willing to innovate something, willing to start own businesses, they must try to explore this means BBA knowledge, right? It is a professional course. Since it's a professional course, you will enter a career in management. Now you will get, means once you do your BBA, you will learn a lot of managerial skills, you will learn operationals and marketing knowledge. Fine. The curriculum in BBA is more of like marketing management, operations management. So it involves more of management concept, because after BBA most of the students are expected to pursue further MBA. Fine. Yes, after MBA you can also further pursue means if you are willing to get into corporates, or even if you want to explore more on management, means more on the concepts of management, you can enter further into this field, like you can further pursue PhD in management. So the area is open, the avenues are open. Either you do BBA or BCom, the areas or the avenues are open for both. You can do your own business, you can enter into corporates, you enter into academics. So fields are open, but the basic thing here in the BBA, you will learn more of business, right? Students may get practical training, attend workshops and require soft skill training so that they can join the workforce after graduation. In the BBA, you will learn more skill oriented training, right? It's more of skill oriented trainings are provided. Means it is more of practical oriented approach towards entering into a profession, corporate, right? आपको यहाँ पे करके सीखना, तो you will learn it and do it. You will not just go through the theory and then you will implement it. Here you will learn skills and then you will implement the same, right? In the BBA, it's a practical oriented course. So it's as I said that it is more for means who are willing, means BBA, it's a good foundation. Means if you are willing to go for MBA and other, means it's a great approach. You can directly go to other MBA colleges and you will get an advantages during entrance examination as well. Fine. Now I'm going directly to BCom. BCom, as I said, Bachelor in Commerce, right? Bachelor of Commerce. It is also an undergraduate course. So, as I said, after class 12, BBA, if you enter to BBA, you are getting a bachelor degree, that is a graduate degree in business administration. Whereas, if you do your BCom, you get a bachelor degree in commerce. Both are equally, means it is equivalent, both are equal in terms of the degree, both are equal. BBA and BCom both are at par level, they are equivalent, right? You are earning a bachelor degree, you can apply to the corporates, you can apply to the government job with the same degree, because you have the graduate degree. You can apply for the master degree program, but yes, the underlying course is a little bit different, because or the approach of learning is different. In the BBA, as I said, the more approach, or the focus is more on practical based learning, and in the BCom the approach is more on theoretical. And definitely in BCom you will learn all the concepts at an in-depth level. Means everything is taught, or you need to understood BCom level from the very base. Means everything needs to be studied at an in-depth level, full एकदम अच्छे से पढ़ना है BCom में, right? Because in BBA it's more of practical, so you don't have to read more, rather you need to study and then implement it. आपने किया और उसको you study it and then you implement it. But in BCom the full 3 years you need to study hard, because it's BCom is like if somebody is willing to enter into let's say academics, MCom करना है उनको, तो it is preferable for them. Rather if you are means applying for a hardcore commerce related jobs, means if you wanted to apply in different commercial departments in government, then you should have a very technical background related to commerce techniques आपको पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है, पूरे अच्छे से. तो उसके लिए BCom, because here you are studying for 3 years, but in BBA you are studying and doing. So you can enter easily. BBA में you can enter easily into corporates, whereas in BCom you can enter easily into academics, or you can enter into government jobs. So you need to decide on it. कि आपको पढ़ना ज़्यादा है या करना ज़्यादा है, आपको बिजनेस ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है या आपको पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है, पढ़ाना अच्छा लगता है. सो यू नीड टू मेक अ डिसीजन हियर. BCom. So the curriculum here is like accountancy, finance, industrial policy, economics. So you can understand the course offers a comprehensive knowledge. As I said, in-depth knowledge की ज़रूरत होगी यहाँ, right? So after graduation, students may choose to pursue MCom or Masters of Commerce, or pursue different fields like MBA, CA, cost accountancy. Yes, if you are doing your BCom, after that if you go through your CA or ICWA, CMA, it would be very easier for them. So as I said, simply BCom is good for people who like studies, who want to have a comprehensive knowledge of their own field. But BBA is sorry, BBA is for the students who are not from the commerce background, but they wanted to enter into corporates. Now if they wanted to enter into corporate, they must be aware of the commerce or the management techniques. So learning management techniques is easier in BBA, whereas for BCom they will learn entire commercial or the commerce related techniques very easily and definitely comprehensively. Few students may also pursue postgraduate courses in law or international studies, right? BCom can be pursued by only from commerce student, but BBA can be pursued by any students. BBA किसी के लिए भी है, means either the student is from arts, commerce, science, anyone, right? See, both the courses have some similarities. Like in BBA also you need to study accounting, statistics, economics, because these are required in the business, right? But in the at the BCom level, the focus is more on theoretical aspect, right? Whereas in the BBA, they will explore you to, the college will explore you to different professionals and real world applications, right? So BBA involves more of practical applications. So I'll just give you a difference between BBA and BCom. Just a few subjects I have taken. Like in BBA, you have subjects like principles of management, business mathematics and statistics, business economics, operational research, business laws. So you are finding it in BBA, everything is related to business, whereas in BCom you have company law, taxation, business organization and management, business and industrial laws. See here, BBA you will find only business laws, and in BCom and business and industrial laws, which is which is in depth, बहुत comprehensive है, ठीक है. Computer applications, economics, marketing management. See, both topics, both subjects are quite similar. अगर मैं सजेशन दूँ तो दोनों सब्जेक्ट्स काफ़ी सिमिलर है. सिर्फ पढ़ाई के बारे में अगर आप पूछो तो दोनों ही में आपको ऑलमोस्ट एक जैसी चीज़ पढ़ने मिलेंगी. बट येस, द मेन डिफरेंस हेयर इज़ द अप्रोच ऑफ लर्निंग. BBA में यू आर लर्निंग एंड वर्किंग. That means after you do it, means maybe after one or 1.5 years, 1.5 साल के बाद you will enter into corporates due to this internship program, and you learn very practical approach, like doing your different Viva projects and all, lots of things are there, seminars and all. In the BCom, the focus more here, the focus is on learning. यहाँ पे 3 साल से पढ़ाई है, ओनली लर्निंग एंड लर्निंग. एंड इवन आफ्टर BCom you need to do varied courses. See, after BBA also, if you are willing, you need to, means since if you need promotions and all, you can enter into corporate. BBA is just an entry point for entering into corporates, but after that, for getting promotion you need MBA, right? But yes, after BBA also you can enter into academics. It's not that कि BBA करके आप academics में enter नहीं कर सकते. बट येस, तो BBA में आप एक डिफरेंट लेवल पे आप एकेडमिक्स में एंटर करते हो, और BCom में यू हैव मोर एवेन्यूज़ इन कोर कमर्शियल टेक्निक्स. कमर्शियल जो फील्ड्स है वहाँ पे एकदम आपके पास एवेन्यूज़ ओपन है, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट गवर्नमेंट जो जॉब्स है उसके लिए, और यू कैन डू योर CA, CMA, ये सारे एकदम कोर कमर्शियल फील्ड्स है. फॉर दैट यू नीड अ comprehensive knowledge of commercial laws and commercial technique. For that BCom is good, क्योंकि BCom के बाद you can do MCom, then MPhil, PhD, or you can directly after BCom also you can enter into MCom, and then you can enter into colleges or schools. You can apply that, right? So these are the basic difference between BBA and BCom. Now you as a student need to think about कि आपको कौन सा which one you wish to select, because I am not the right person. I just have given you the details about BBA and BCom. Both approaches I told you what are the approaches. Now you as a student need to assess yourself and think which one to select. Yes, अभी BBA में भी बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस हैं. यस, इन BBA there are entrance examination are there. BCom also there is a cut off marks which is important to get in good colleges. Fees for BBA is slightly higher than BCom but not much higher. Fine. So now at par with the industry and everything, you can suggest whether to go into BBA or in BCom. Thank you. I hope you must got the information you wished for. Thank you.